Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Onestop token. Ticker symbol is OST. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 18th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Onestop token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. According to their BSC scan, it only says 3 holders, so this token is not even available on PancakeSwap yet. There's 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 18th at 10 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search OST, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So what is Onestop? Onestop is a comprehensive set of decentralized finance protocols developed on Binance Smart Chain. It encompasses 2 main components, the Onestop Markets and Onestop Liquidity Staking. Onestop Markets offers a seamless platform for users to lend, borrow, and accrue interest on their digital assets. By supplying liquidity to the protocol, depositors earn yield. Meanwhile, borrowers can obtain loans can obtain loans in an over-collateralized fashion. The platform is permissionless, allowing DeFi users to engage in various activities, such as swiftly supplying to and withdrawing liquidity from a communal liquidity market, instantly borrowing from a liquidity market using their provided assets as collateral, accessing a live, transparent view of interest rates, which adjust in real time based on market supply and demand for each asset. Onestop Liquid Staking, tailored for BSC, is a liquid staking solution that tokenizes staked BNB. This process of tokenization gives users the flexibility to employ, engage, or use the yield-bearing assets within various decentralized financial applications. It's a capital-efficient project that offers Avalanche participants the opportunity to transfer their locked capital, their staked BNB, used in securing the Avalanche network. Also gain access gain extra utility from their yield-generating assets by trading it to or using it as collateral in the DeFi space, and effortlessly staking their BNB on the Binance Smart Chain without complex cross-chain transfers or server hosting. Now, regarding the storage of funds, Onestop utilizes smart contracts for fund management. It's important to note that no protocol in the blockchain space is completely devoid of risk. Potential risks with Onestop might include those associated with smart contracts and the possibility of liquidation. The team behind Onestop has conducted thorough audits, and maintains the protocol as a public and open source to mitigate these risks as much as possible. So there's depositing and using the protocol section if you want to learn about that. They talk about supplying assets and a step-by-step how to do that, withdrawing assets, earning, how to do that as well. There's also borrowing, so they talk about how to do that, enabling borrowing, the borrowing process, collateral factors, repayments, loan repayment period, and avoiding liquidation. And then they talk about the protocol parameters, which is basically the close factor, reserve factor, liquidation incentive, interest rate models, jump rate models, all that type of stuff is on here. So if you want to learn about the one-stop liquid staking, which is basically a protocol for liquid staking developed on the BNB chain, it focuses on tokenizing staked BNB, enabling users to freely utilize it within various DeFi apps or dApps like automated market makers, lending and borrowing protocols, and yield aggregators. So they go over why would you liquid stake. Some of the benefits basically is no lockup periods, zero fees, full control, simplified staking, and added utility. So you can learn step by step how to stake and unstake. Then they have the Vote Escrowed OST, VEOST, which represents a user's voting power for BNB delegations through the one-stop liquid staking, and you can learn about how to get involved with that. Now, the OST token is the native asset on BNB and oversees the entire ecosystem of the one-stop protocol, including one-stop liquidity market and one-stop liquid staking. OST can be staked for a utility token. VEOST grants BNB miners additional BNB delegations from one-stop liquid staking. Detailed information on VEOST can be found at the document section onestop-protocol.gitbook.io. So OST is also required to vote and decide on the outcome of proposals. So like the DAO, the governance, the voting rights. How the token is split up: 45% of the tokens go to a liquidity mining program, 25% token sale, 15% treasury, 10% team, and 5% exchange liquidity for a total supply of 100 million tokens. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.